How to change the background color of your Instagram stories. Welcome back to another video, everyone. Without any delay, let's start this video. First of all, open Instagram applications. Swipe to open Instagram camera. Tap on create. Here at the bottom right corner, you will find a small circle. Tap on it to change various colors. Background. Here you can select multiple colors, but here the colors are limited. So I'm going to teach you another method where you can select multiple color options. Now, first of all, select the picture that you want to upload to your story. Tap on the three dots. Tap on draw. Here, color panel will appear at the bottom. Swipe it to select the color as per you desire. Suppose I select the blue color. Now, what we have to do is long press and hold anywhere on the background screen. Now your background will change to a blue color or the color that you have selected. The photo that we selected has been disappeared. Don't worry. Now click on sticker, scroll down a little bit, tap on the gallery icon and select the photo that you want to upload. Here we are done. I hope this video will help you out to change the background color of your Instagram stories as per your desire. Thank you for joining with us in this tutorial.